Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is Zach with Zach's Auto Detailing, and today I'm actually headed to go buy something for my detail business. I've wanted this thing for probably, since I've started detailing, and probably the past 2 years that I've wanted to go really fully mobile. I offer mobile, but I'm not fully mobile, as in I have to have a couple things to come to you. And so today I'm going to try to help alleviate one issue I have, which is power. I need power to run my stuff. So today, as you might already know what I'm going to go buy, head to Harbor Freight to go buy this bad boy. I've been waiting for to buy this because usually Harbor Freight will have sales, and today they're having that sale. Over the weekend they had a 15% off of any item on sale. Doesn't matter what it is, and that's why I'm going today, because I've been waiting for this for months. Because they had it, I think, last maybe November, and we're back. So let's go buy this thing. I'm very, very excited. We are here. Good old Harbor Freight. I'm going.
Hello, how are you?
Good, how you doing?
Online is like there's a 15% discount.
Yes.
Yeah.
Hello. And then there's that, which drops you down to $754 with 30.
Let's go. I waited all year for for that discount. Appreciate you. There you go. You too. All right, we got the generator. Now let's head back to the office and I'll show you a little bit of it. I won't probably have time to unbox it, but I'll show you what I got. You probably already saw. You should have already saw, but I'll go a little more in depth of why I chose this one and not something bigger or whatever the case. Again, if you're a detailer, you know exactly what I just bought. It is what it is. But I'm super pumped. Again, saved a lot of money. They had a 15% discount, like I said. So I saved like I think it was 120 or so dollars. And so usually it runs for $7.99 and then plus tax. So usually close to $900. And I just got out of there with oil for it for $754. So that's a pretty good deal, I think. And I've been waiting all year for them to. I know it's only February. It's almost March, but almost February. It's late February, and I've been waiting since, again, November of when they last did a discount on some stuff. So I'm super pumped. I'm so excited. Again, this is just gets me one step closer to going fully mobile or fully intact with this van. Again, I'll be doing a video on this van here a little bit shortly. Just haven't had time to clean it. The weather's been disgusting since I got the van. I bought it officially in December, so I haven't really had time to just do a full detail and show you what I got or what it is. But it'll come shortly. But yeah, stay tuned. I'll get back to you. I'm gonna drive back to the office and I'll get back to you when I get back to there and show you what I got. So, all right, guys. Hopefully it's not too dark. But okay, I'm back here in the back of the van now, and I'll show you what I got. So I got myself a Predator 3500 watt generator, and I know most detailers have this thing, and there's other detailers that use different ones, but this is the one I chose to get. Again, Harbor Freight's literally 5 minutes from my house and from the shop here. And it made the most financial sense. Again, like I told you, I saved some good amount of money with them having a discount on any item that I wanted, and so I chose this bad boy. And I want to go through a couple reasons why I chose this and not a 5000 or something that's a little different. my boss actually has one of these. I've used this same generator before, not for detailing, but for different stuff here at the shop. And I will say this thing is actually pretty quiet when it comes to this thing running. I didn't want something super loud because again, I'm going to houses, I'm going to be detailing their cars, and if I show up with a 5,000 watt generator and it's louder than all gets out and people are waking up, you don't want that. So I chose this exact generator for quietness, and also it's super nice. It's all in one compact. It's got enough power that I need. I don't need something that's super massive. What I'll be running is a vacuum, pressure washer, maybe a steamer here and there, and eventually air hose or air tank. But as of right now with my setup, all I have really is just electrical for the vacuum and for my pressure washer is really all I have. And so I don't need something super massive. If I did, then I would have got something bigger. And lastly, the reason I chose this one, this size, is because when you start getting up higher, 5,000 or whatever, 13,000, you got to think about room. Because again, it looks horrible back here. Don't mind this. Literally, I just bought this and it is what it is. I got a lot of stuff planned to fix this thing up, make it a lot better for myself. But when it comes to room and sound, and also you got to think about this: when you got something bigger, a bigger generator, you got more fuel to fill up. So something like this, I've seen it drinks fuel pretty good, as in it's pretty fuel efficient for what it is. And so I just chose this. I'm super excited. I'm so happy, and I've been waiting literally like probably 2 years for this thing. I've been talking about this thing non-stop. I'm so pumped. This is just one step closer to getting fully mobile. I gave myself a plan to start being fully mobile by March, and I got a wrap coming on this van. I'm about to start getting this stuff out and really getting this thing set up for mobile. And I only got one more thing. I got to get a water tank that's going to go about right here, and a water pump for that, and that's really about it. Those two things, this and the water, is all I really needed to go fully mobile. Everything else I'll buy as I go, reinvest in my business. But yeah, today I got my generator, my generator that I've been waiting for so long, for so many years. My wife was like, Zach, just stop bothering me about this generator, just go get it. I'm so tired of it because I just talk about it so much. Thank you so much for watching. Again, it's not the most awesome video that you might have ever seen, but again, I just want to show you guys my generator thing I've been waiting for so long. So again, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, I got awesome details coming up and details that I've already done, and so just go subscribe, like, and share this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Hope you have a good rest of your night, and God bless.